I am homeopathic Dr. Zafar Hameed Malik. Today, I will tell you the top 10 important symptoms of Selenium 200, a well-known homeopathic medicine. Selenium acts deeply on the nervous system, sexual organs, and digestive system, and is especially useful for male weakness, hair fall, and nervous exhaustion. Top 10 indicated symptoms of Selenium 200. 1. Extreme physical and mental weakness, great exhaustion after mental or physical work, even after slight exertion. 2. Sexual weakness in men, involuntary seminal discharge, weakness after coition, and loss of sexual power. 3. Hair fall, especially after illness, profuse hair loss from scalp, beard, eyebrows, or pubic region. 4. Poor memory and mental confusion, difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and mental dullness. 5. Weak erection and premature emission, erection weak or absent, emission occurs too quickly. 6. Digestive weakness, slow digestion, gas, bloating, and weakness after eating. 7. Constipation with incomplete stool, stool passes easily, but there is a feeling of incomplete evacuation. 8. Prostate complaints, weak urine stream, dribbling after urination, and prostate-related weakness. 9. Back and spinal weakness, pain and weakness in the lower back, worse after exertion. 10. General nervous debility, trembling, sensitivity to noise, and lack of stamina. Keynote of Selenium 200, marked weakness with loss of vital energy, especially in men. Like, share, and subscribe *** to my YouTube channel for more informative videos on homeopathic medicines and natural health care.